Hi, I'm Sue. I'm one of the upper elementary teachers here at CMS, and this is my classroom. One of the main facets of an upper elementary classroom is really fostering the independence that the students have learned. In upper elementary, you'll see the students using their work plan to plan their work cycle time, completing work according to priorities, managing their materials, problem solving, working with friends, communicating, all of those great skills they practice during the work cycle. What this allows teachers is time to observe students completing their work, see how they tackle work, see them working with peers and see how that goes. So not only are we teaching, but we're also observing, and the work cycle really allows for that. So students in upper elementary love to work with each other, they love to socialize, and they love to practice all of those great social skills that you need as an adult. The way we foster that is by offering lots of group activities, lots of team building activities at the beginning of the year, followed by lots of assignments and project work where students have to collaborate, work together, disagree respectfully, and present a project. They love this. Kids collaborating, students working together, students working by themselves. You'll hear a buzz of students talking and problem solving. There's a lot of movement, opportunity for movement, so students can walk around, they can sit on the floor, they can sit at a desk, they might be in a small group lesson, they might be in a whole class lesson. So there's a lot of opportunity for movement and for talking and for working things out. You might also see some quiet time and some really loud time. So it kind of ebbs and flows with movement and sound in an upper elementary classroom, and that's when you know it's been a good day. This year is a little different in many ways. I have some students who are in person and some students who are remote. So when I'm teaching a geometry lesson, I may have 2 students in front of me and 3 students at home, and I'm live Zooming those lessons. We still are trying to build community and make everyone feel connected, which has been the big challenge this year. Another thing that we're trying to do is keep everyone safe, so we try to teach outside as much as possible. We're having lunch outside and snack outside and lessons outside. But the students seem really happy despite everything that's going on in the world, and that just makes it all worth it.